Hey guys, so I'm a new YouTube account. If you like what I'm putting out, like and subscribe. We come out with videos every week. I'm gonna try to do it a lot more for you guys. So if you enjoy, just like and subscribe. Thank you. First, you're gonna want to download Metamask. You can just type it into Google, just download Metamask. I'd recommend using the Brave browser, but you can also use Chrome or I don't think it works on Safari, but you can use Chrome, Brave, or Edge, and they all support MetaMask. So here's the link right here. You can just type in MetaMask into Google on your laptop and get to it. So you want to go ahead and do that, then I'll walk you through it, the whole process.
Download now. Chrome.
So this MetaMask, you can hit download,
Extension.
then install MetaMask for Chrome right here at the bottom.
Yeah. Set it up. So left of the screen, right of the screen. There we go. Gotta love the functionality of laptops these days. But yeah, I got it. I think it just uploaded or downloaded. Making you do Ethereum and decentralized web. Get started.
You'll need to switch to Chrome.
Yeah. So it says I already have a secret recovery phase or list set up. So I guess create a wallet.
Yeah, just go to create wallet.
Current password.
Okay. Yeah, so just hit install MetaMask. Go to extensions, add to Chrome, and it'll pop up right in your top right corner right here. If you see this little thing right here. I recommend going ahead and pinning it just so you can, it's just easier access. You'll be able to see it. Yeah, and all that kind of stuff. So, okay, so you're gonna go to create a new wallet because you've never made one before, or you can import one if you already have used one. So you create a new wallet, just type in your password.
12-word phrase.
Yeah, we're gonna get to that part pretty soon. Okay.
So separate stuff. They don't even have like an email. It's just a 12-word phrase and a password.
Yeah, it's just that. So your seed phrase is gonna be your keep this safe. You don't share it with anybody. If anybody asks you for your seed phrase, don't give it to them. It's a scam. 100% a scam if someone asks you to send them your seed phrase. So don't give out your seed phrase. They'll have access to all your funds, your whole wallet, any NFTs you buy, or like anything that you do with your MetaMask. So just write down, you go here, click on it to reveal your password, and then write it down. I wouldn't even suggest, I would suggest writing it down and then keeping it somewhere safe.
Oh yeah, that's what.
Because even if you take a picture of it, if someone gets your phone or like hacks your phone or like something, they could get that seed phrase.
What I normally do is the note, and I lock the note. But you know, like sometimes notes can become unlocked. But so.
Yeah. Yeah, best bet is just to write it down. So go ahead and do that, and then type in your seed phrase into the like right here, and then you just confirm it. You can confirm your seed phrase. Okay, and then just let me know after you get that going.
it done right now. Just phrase. Okay, now I'm doing the make sure it's in the right order thing. I did not see outdoor. There we go.
Okay, so now that you got your MetaMask set up, you can see there's no money in it right now. So this is your address right here. And this is whenever you're receiving money or sending money, send it to this address. So you would just go up here, click copy, and then paste that code directly into like Coinbase or wherever you're sending money from. I'd say the best way to fund your account would be via Coinbase or KuCoin or any other application like that, as opposed to buying it directly on MetaMask itself. So I'm not going to fund my wallet right now just because gas is pretty high and it'll cost a little bit of money to even fund it right now. But yeah, so this is telling you that your wallet address is right here. And it's just it's basically, it's like your bank account. So like, or your phone number. So any money you send here, it's all going to be recorded on blockchain and you'll be able to get it directly there. Just don't mess up that phrase. I always recommend to just straight up copy and paste it or use the QR code just so you don't, there's no way for you to like mess it up. And if you do send it to the wrong address, there's no way for you to get it back either. So just, you can also try using like send like a small amount first before, and then send like the full amount that you're going with. Okay. So then key takeaways from this, write down your seed phrase properly. Never give it out to anyone. Beware of fake MetaMask support links because there are a lot of scams. They're gonna try to ask you for your seed phrase, but don't give that to anyone. And then if sending crypto to a wallet, make sure that you're sending it to the right form of wallet, or you're sending the correct crypto. So like you can't send Solana to MetaMask because it doesn't work with Solana. It's only like Ethereum based, like AVAX. You can't send Solana or like Bitcoin to like your MetaMask. But there are other wallets like Phantom that's specifically for Solana ecosystem. So you can send Solana and like a flurry of other coins to that. But you wouldn't be able to send Ethereum to like the Phantom wallet because it's Solana. So like just make sure that whatever wallet you're using is able to do that. Okay. Yeah. So and then I'm gonna show you how to add coins. So you go down here to add coins. You go down here to import tokens. And then you go here to coinmarketcap.com.
It's only viewing your
So if you're trying to get like a random coin onto it,
you said market cap. All right, let me.
yeah, coin market cap. So the things that you need is this right here, this contract address.
Yeah, I can't see anything except like what we were on, like the MetaMask tutorial.
Oh, okay. Oh, right here. It's this one. Okay, now can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so go to coinmarketcap.com and then find whatever coin you're looking for. You can search it here if you have a specific one. Copy this link right now, right here. You can either copy it, or if you see this MetaMask thing, it'll automatically let you add it to MetaMask.
That's nice. It said add token. Boom.
Yeah, so it should. I'm not sure why it's not adding right now, but if that's the case, you just go back here. If it doesn't have this, you just go to import token. You paste this contract ID right here into it, and then choose your coin, and then just import the token. So if I had any access money, any money in this coin, then it would pop up right here. And then you can do the same thing with any Ethereum based coin. You just got to make sure that it's Ethereum based, and it'll tell you right here which ones are Ethereum based whenever you look at it. Yeah. So do you have any more questions for me? Because that's pretty much the gist of it.
No, I think everything else I can do my due diligence and like do my research. So I just need like the hooking up part, honestly.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sounds good, man. And
And
I own a Discord where we teach people, if you're trying to learn more about this kind of stuff, like we teach people how to trade stocks, cryptos, get into NFTs, and we can help you get a little bit deeper into the space and start making money with trading and doing all sorts of things. So I'll send you the link to it afterwards, and then you can join up with us if you want to. All right, so I own a stock and crypto Discord. I'm going to link it below in the description. If you want to learn more about trading stocks, options, NFTs, and just getting involved with Web3, take that link, sign up for a membership, and let's get it.